Hey guys, welcome to another painting video. Well, this time I wanted to go, revisit the technique we did last time, meaning that if you remember, we took vinegar and some baking soda. This time we're gonna take again vinegar, but we're gonna add Floetrol and white glue and silicone. So I'm interested in what's gonna happen between all those ingredients, since we did use them a lot but separately. So I'm anxious to see how it goes. So let's go try it. So guys, I think the result is very interesting. I think it's even better than what we did with the vinegar and the baking soda. I think the details are more refined. Still, it's quite unexpected what is happening. Well, excuse me, as I'm talking to you, it's not dry, that's for sure. I just made it, but there's some kind of bubble appearing a bit everywhere. I think what I'm supposed is going to happen is that when it's going to dry, I think it's all going to go away, and we have an interesting, you know what, I think it makes me think about the look of marble, just a bit yellowish, a bit more. I think it's nice. I think, you know, it's very nice. If we would have omit the yellow, it would have been almost perfectly like marble. So that's a nice way to go about it. I think the texture is almost the same. So I think, without even knowing about it, we did find a way to reproduce the finish of marble. So that's very interesting. Listen, the detail, like I say, are more refined. There's more detail. The only thing is the color, it's a bit fade, but that's not because of the products, that's because of the color that I put in. Maybe it could have used a little bit of red, more reddish, some red vine. That would have been much more interesting in my thinking. Anyway, I think guys, it's very nice. If you want a marble finish, that's incredible. That's crazy how good looking it is, at least for marble. So guys, on that note, hope you're gonna try it, and I hope you did like it. And like always, please subscribe, leave a comment, and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next video. Take care, guys. Ciao.